As per a statement on September 5th by manufacturer Raytheon, Poland will be the first international customer for the U.S. Army's new air and missile defense radar. The statement said Polish Defense Minister Mariusz Błaszczak approved a letter of acceptance to buy 12 Raytheon-developed lower-tier air and missile defense sensors, or LTAMDS, along with 48 Patriot launchers. For Poland, this system will be a part of the second phase of the Wisla program. This news has brought the focus on LTAMDS. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how Patriot Air Defense System would see a major capability leap with Ghost Eye LTAMDS. Let's get into the details. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. On September 14, 2019, facilities of Saudi Arabia's oil company, Aramco, located in the east of the country, came under attack. There were 18 drones and 7 missiles, which moved in from different directions. The world's biggest oil refinery near the city of Abqaiq and a refinery near Khurais, where Saudi's second-largest oil field is located, were targeted. Being facilities of very significant importance, they were protected by layered air defense. The outer layer was Patriot PAC-2 surface-to-air missile batteries that the U.S. sold to Saudi Arabia to intercept aircraft and missiles. The inner layer consisted of several short-range automatic gun systems that were designed for last-ditch defense. During the attack, the Patriot Air Defense failed to detect the incoming threats or was too late, and the automatic gun systems fired sporadically. But the threats were not taken down. The attack disrupted shipments of 5.7 million barrels of oil daily, which is around 50% of Saudi Arabia's output. This incident made it evident that Patriot needed a better sensor that could give 360-degree coverage. Another aspect is that the current Patriot radar system, ANMPQ 53/65, lacks the full capability to support the maximum kinematic range of the Patriot Advanced Capability 3 missile segment enhancement. LTAMDS represents a cutting-edge 360-degree multi-purpose sensor that boasts extensive cross-functionality, interoperability, and modular capabilities. It stands as the first sensor tailored explicitly for deployment within the U.S. Army's integrated air and missile defense system, offering protection against highly sophisticated threats such as tactical ballistic missiles, aircraft, and cruise missiles. It's expected to play a key role in the U.S. Army's future Integrated Air and Missile Defense System, IAMDS. LTAMDS will be able to detect and track high-speed maneuvering targets and provide precise data to the air defense network. Its superiority compared to rival systems lies in its capacity to identify threats within a comprehensive 360-degree field of view on the battlefield and surpass the detection ranges of contemporary air defense radars. LTAMDS is an AESA, Active Electronically Scanned Array, radar. It achieves 360-degree detection by having multiple radar panels. There is a large main radar array on the front of the trailer that folds down to resemble a normal trailer for an 18-wheeler. On the back of the trailer, there are 2 smaller fold-down radar arrays that face out to the right and left at an angle. The sectors of these three arrays, being overlapping, provide 360-degree coverage. As per Raytheon, the primary array is about the same size as the array for the Patriot Air and Missile Defense System, but it has more than twice the power. According to Doug Burgess, Senior Director of Ground-Based Integrated Air and Missile Defense Capabilities at Raytheon, one of these secondary arrays has more capability than the current Patriot radar. LTAMDS uses C-band radar for its primary mission, but is not restricted to that only. It uses S-band and X-band frequencies for missile communication to include target acquisition through deep surveillance. The S-band frequency is ideal for surveillance and target acquisition, while the X-band frequency provides data for discrimination and fire control. Importantly, LTAMDS uses gallium nitride (GaN) technology instead of gallium arsenide (GaS). One significant advantage of GaN-based transmitters, in addition to their increased signal strength and sensitivity, is that the LTAMDS won't require recertification during its operational lifespan. Gallium nitride also offers the benefit of greater energy efficiency, generating less heat compared to gallium arsenide. The LTAMDS program has undergone swift development and prototyping. The call for contract bids was issued in 2017, and Raytheon was selected by the U.S. Army in October 2019. During this period, the Army conducted a sense-off at the White Sands Missile Test Range in the spring and summer of 2019. In February 2020, it was announced that Raytheon had successfully completed the first front array radar for LTAMDS. According to reports, Raytheon has now finished constructing all 6 LTAMDS radars as per its contract with the U.S. Army. Congress has mandated that the Army deploy an LTAMDS battalion equipped with 4 sensors by December 2023. The range and sophistication of aerial threats is increasing at a rapid pace. The LTAMDS will provide Patriot missile battalions with increased sensing capability, enabling threat detection at greater ranges, which will increase reaction time and far better directional coverage. Having 360-degree coverage means that the creation of integrated air defense networks would necessitate fewer launchers and radars for a specific region. This, in turn, would enable Patriot battalions to spread out over a larger area, expanding their operational reach. At the same time, this dispersion would enhance the formation's resilience against precision fire from adversaries. It's evident that LTAMDS will significantly enhance the capability of the Patriot Air Defense System and enable it to better counter the ever-evolving threat environment.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.